the grill is sizzling and the grill smoking low. It's the first weekend in September, let the good times flow. And the cooler's filled right, oh, ain't life just grand? We'll toast to the moments that brought us all here, to the sweat and the work and the laughter we share. So gather round, let's kiss the sun goodnight. There's no place we'd rather be, the family together and love as our key. Happy Labor Day, let's celebrate this ride. Calling all the neighbors, bring your favorite dish. We cherish these days, each moment's like gold in so many ways. Happy Labor Day, let's celebrate this ride. For the long week we work and the friends we hold dear, we set aside in the warmth of the sun. Memories play, we'll dance and we'll sing this. Kids are running wild, laughter fills the air as the sound of those country tunes pulls us all in from the flare. So raise your glass, let's give a cheer. Happy Labor Day.